Hi kids, it's time to learn with Miss Kaye. Today we are going to learn about opposite words. Opposites are pairs of words with very different meaning. Let's see some of them. Let's start. Dirty. The opposite of dirty is clean. Dirty, clean. Big. Big. The opposite of big is little. Big, little. Big, little. Shut. Shut. The opposite of shut is open. Shut, open. Shut, open. Old. Old. The opposite of old is young. Old, young. Old, young. Awake. Awake. The opposite of awake is asleep. Awake, asleep. Awake, asleep. Out. Out. The opposite of out is in. In. Out, in. Out, in. Happy. Happy. The opposite of happy is sad. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Empty. Empty. Full. Full. The opposite of empty is full. Empty, full. Front. Front. The opposite of front is back. Front, back. Front, back. Together. Together. The opposite of together is apart. Apart. Together, apart. They are together. They are apart. Together, apart. Day. Day. The opposite of day is night. Day, night. There is a sun during day, and there are stars and moon during night. Day, night. Wet. Wet. The opposite of wet is dry. Wet, dry. Wet, dry. In front. In front. The opposite of in front is behind. Behind. In front and behind. The cow is in front of the fence. The cow is behind the fence. In front, behind. Hot. Hot. The opposite of hot is cold. Hot, cold. It is hot during summer, and it is cold during winter. Look, the owl is sweating when it's hot, and the owl is shivering when it's cold. Hot, cold. Over. Over. The opposite of over is under. Over, under. The frog jumped over the mushroom, and The frog is resting under the mushroom. Over, under. Now let's see all of the opposite words. Dirty, clean. Big, little. Shut, open. Old, young. Awake, asleep. Out, in. Happy, sad. Empty, full. Front, back. Together, apart. Day, night. Wet, dry. In front, behind. Hot, cold. Over, under. Now let's read all the opposite words again. Dirty, clean. Big, little. Shut, open. Old, young. Awake, asleep. Out, in. Happy, sad. Empty, full. Front, back. Together, apart. Day, night. Wet, dry. In front, behind. Hot, cold. Over and under. Great job, kids! Today, we learned about opposite words. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn more with Miss Kaye. See you soon, kids! It's time to learn with Miss Kaye. Today, let's learn animal families. Let's start. Tiger. Tiger. A baby tiger is called a cub. Cub. Tiger. Cub. Tiger. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. A baby chimpanzee is called infant. Infant. Infant and chimpanzee. Infant. Chimpanzee. Elephant. Elephant. A baby elephant is called calf. 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 Elephant. Calf. Elephant. Duck. Duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. 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 Duck. Duckling. Duck. Crocodile. Crocodile. A baby crocodile is called hatchling. 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 Crocodile. Hatchling. Crocodile. Hog. Hog. A baby hog or a pig is called a piglet. 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 Hog. Piglet. Hog. Giraffe. Giraffe. A baby giraffe is called calf. 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 Giraffe. Calf. Giraffe. Frog. Frog. A baby frog is called tadpole. 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 Frog. Tadpole. Frog. Turtle. Turtle. A baby turtle is called hatchling. 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 Turtle. Hatchling. Turtle. Deer. Deer. A baby deer is called fawn. 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 Deer. Fawn. Deer. Seal. Seal. A baby seal is called pup. 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 Seal. Pup. Seal. Cat. Cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. 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 Cat. Kitten and cat. Goat. Goat. A baby goat is called kid. 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 Goat. Kid. Goat. Lion. Lion. A baby lion is called cub. 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 Lion. Cub. Lion. Goose. Goose. A baby goose is called gosling. 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 Goose. Gosling. Goose. Dog. Dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. 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 Dog. Puppy. Dog. Penguin. Penguin. A baby penguin is called chick. 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 Penguin. Chick. Penguin. Zebra. Zebra. A baby zebra is called foal. 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 Zebra. Foal. Zebra. Cow. Cow. A baby cow is called calf. 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 Cow. Calf. Cow. Bear. Bear. A baby bear is called a cub. 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 Bear. Horse. Horse. A baby horse is called a foal. 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 Horse. Foal. Horse. Owl. Owl. A baby owl is called owlet. 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 Owl. Owlet. Owl. Chicken. Chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. 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 Chicken. Chick. Chicken. Fox. Fox. A baby fox is called cub. 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 Fox. Cub. Fox. Panda. Panda. A baby panda is called cub. 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 Panda. Cub. Panda. Rabbit. Rabbit. A baby rabbit is called kitten. 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 Rabbit. Kitten. Rabbit. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called Joey. 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 Kangaroo. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. A baby hippo is called calf. 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 Hippo. Calf and hippo. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. A baby rhinoceros is called calf. 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 Rhinoceros. Calf. Rhinoceros. Great job, kids! Today we learn about animal families. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Miss Kaye. See you soon, kids. Hi kids, it's time to learn with Miss Kaye. Today we are going to do a matching game. So I have some puzzle pieces here of different animals and help Miss Kaye guess the animal that has that part, and we're going to match the other side of it. Okay, are you ready? Let's put our basket right here. Do you know what animal is this? It has a tail. It's a pig. This is a pig. What is this animal? It has a tail like this. This is a whale. Whale. What animal is this? A giraffe. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. This one is an insect. What do you think is it? It's a butterfly. Butterfly. This is a... Can you guess this one? What is it? It's a frog. Frog. Ribbit, ribbit, frog. This one, it's holding an acorn. Do you know an animal that loves acorn? What is your guess? It's a... What is this? Squirrel. Squirrel. This is a squirrel. How about this one? It has 4 legs. And it looks like it has a tail also. It's a lion. Lion. Another insect. It has spots and it has a red color. What is your guess? It's let's put it. It's a Ladybug. Ladybug. This is a ladybug. Ladybug. This one. What do you think is this animal? Do you know what animal is this now? It's a cat. Meow, meow. This is a cat. Cat. This one. What is this? It's a... Put it together. Do you know what is it? It's a chick. It's a baby chicken. Beep, beep, beep. Ooh! It has a black and white fur. And it has, look at the claws. Ooh, it must be a very big animal. What is your guess? This is a panda bear. A panda bear. How about this one? A what? Turtle. Turtle. This is a turtle. All the animals and insects are here now. Let's see if you can name them. Pig. Whale. Butterfly. Frog. Squirrel. Lion. Giraffe. Ladybug. Chick. Panda bear. Turtle. Cat. Great job, kids! Are you ready for the next round? Well, let's see if you can guess them again. Let's do another round! Are you ready? I'm excited! This animal is holding a carrot. Do you know of an animal that loves carrots? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. What is it? It's a snail. Snail. This is a snail. How about this one? Looks like it has a stripy fur. Tiger. Tiger. This is a tiger. What is your guess? What animal is this? Elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant. This one has wings. And I think this is an insect. Do you have an answer? This is a what is it? Bee. The bee likes to buzz, buzz. Bee. This is a bee. How about this one? This is a duckling. A duckling is a baby duck. Quack, 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 quack. This is a duckling. Duckling. Ooh, spotted. There's black and white and it has a tail. Do you have a guess? This is a... What is it? Cow. And the cow says moo, moo. This is a cow. Cow. Oh, look at this one. It looks very cute. What do you think is this, kids? This is a... Let's see the other half. What is it? Monkey. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey. Another black and white. What is it? It's a... Can you say your answer out loud? It's a... Miss Kaye is having a difficult time. It's a penguin. Penguin. Can you paddle like a penguin? How about this one? It looks like it's a very big animal. It's a... Do you know what it is? Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. This one. It's a sheep. Sheep. And the sheep likes to say ba ba. Sheep. This is a sheep. This. What do you think is this? It's a... Do you know the answer now? It's a dog. Woof, woof, woof. Dog. This is a dog. Dog. Now let's put all the animals here. All the animals and insects and bugs are here, and let's see if you can name them. Are you ready? Snail. Snail. Tiger. Elephant. Bee. Cow. Monkey. Rabbit. Duckling. Duckling. Hippopotamus. Sheep. Dog. Penguin. Great job, kids! Thank you for helping Miss Kaye name all the animals. I enjoyed it so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi kids! It's time to learn with Miss Kaye. Today we're going to learn words about vegetables and fruits. Do you want to play a guessing game with Miss Kaye? Miss Kaye will show you a picture and try to guess the name of the word. Let's start! This is a picture of... What do you think? Grapes. Grapes. These are grapes. Yum. What color are the grapes? The grapes are purple. Purple grapes. So yummy. This is a... what is this? A... carrot. Carrot. What color is the carrot? It is orange. Orange carrot. You can also do it like this one. Do you love eating carrots? My daughter Yan Yan loves carrots so much. This is... What do you think is this, kids? It's a fruit. It's... pear. What color is the pear? Yellow. Yellow pear. This is a pear. Ooh, red one with seeds on the outside. This is a do you know now? Strawberry. Strawberry. What color is the strawberry? Red. Red strawberry. This is a strawberry. What is this? It's what is this? Do you know now? It's potato. Potato. This is a potato. What color is the potato? The potato is brown. Brown potato. This is tomato. Tomato. What color is the tomato? Red. The tomato is red. This is a tomato. What is it? This is a. Let's put the other half. Do you know now? Broccoli. Broccoli. What color is the broccoli? The broccoli is green. Green broccoli. This is a broccoli. Broccoli. How about this? Banana. This is a banana. What color is the banana? The banana is yellow. Yellow banana. What is this? Do you know what is it, kids? Let's put the other half. Yay! This is a watermelon. What color is the watermelon? The watermelon is green. Green watermelon. This is a watermelon. Oh, look! Another fruit. And it's orange. Do you know a fruit that has an orange color? This is an orange. What color is the orange? Orange. 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 Ooh, this one. What is this? Do you have a guess? Apple. Apple. What color is the apple? Red. Red apple. This is an apple. Apple. This is a do you know, kids? This is a pea. What color is the pea? Green. This is a green pea. Pea. This is a green pea. Ooh, green. Do you have a guess? What is this? It's cucumber. Cucumber. This is a cucumber. What color is the cucumber? Its color green. This is a cucumber. Oh, look, what color is this? Orange. It's orange. It's a very big. What is it? It's pumpkin. What color is the pumpkin? Orange. Orange pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. I have a last picture here. This is... do you have a guess, kids? A peach. This is a peach. Peach. Now let's name all the fruits and vegetables we just learned. Potato. Potato. Cucumber. Cucumber. Peach. Peach. Pea. Pea. Strawberry. Strawberry. Orange. Orange. Watermelon. Watermelon. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pear. Pear. Banana. Banana. Broccoli. Broccoli. Tomato. Tomato. Pear. Pear. Carrot. Carrot. Apple. Apple. Grapes. Grapes.
Please subscribe.